So, hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And hello to all my Yumilicious around the world. How are you there? So, today guys, I'm going to try this trending chocolate here in UAE. And I am so lucky because finally I found this one in one Arabic shop while we are passing that that way. So I am so happy because I keep on searching for this one, guys. So here we go. So this is the Dubai chocolate kunafa pistachio. So I'm so excited to try this one now. So this is the packaging, guys. It's a golden one inside. You can check first. Yes. Let's see how's the taste. Oh, okay. See, guys, it's open. Okay. See, it's pistachio inside. Let me try now. So tasty, guys. So sweet. Of course, so sweet. It's a chocolate. The pistachio, the combination of the chocolate and the pistachio, it's amazing, guys. So creamy. I can't stop to bite. One more. See, guys. Pistachio. Kunafa and pistachio, guys. So yummy, so tasty. So now I'm so happy because finally I tried this one. It's true. It's true that it's so tasty. I love it. So that's enough. It's full of calories. So guys, this is the kunafa and pistachio chocolate. Okay? So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias, and hello, and also to like and share. Okay? See you again, guys. Bye. It's here. The kunafa and pistachio chocolate. I'll take this one.